I'm back from the store, so we're gonna open this popping thing first. So yeah, let's do it. So yeah, guys, let's do it. Ooh, okay, guys. I guess I'll try this one first. I guess I'll just stick it on my door handle. What? Okay, I guess we have to squeeze it. Am I doing it wrong? Okay, I don't know what's happening.
No.
Okay, it's the wrong way.
Now let's stick on the table. This table. Try over here.
Okay, guys, I don't know if it's gonna work, but yeah. Okay, I guess we have to try it. Cause I tried everywhere. I guess to work a little.
Go over here. I'll let you try it over here. Come over here.
Okay, guys. Do you think it works? Okay, y'all, my mom can help me. Okay.
Okay.
Satisfying. Okay, y'all, it worked. I tried everywhere on the wall, but yeah, it didn't work. But this, I love it. Yeah. Now let's do the squeeze balls. The stress balls, yeah. I guess I have to peel off the tape. Okay. Okay, yeah. I opened it. Okay. Let's open it. Okay, I think I tried the yellow one first. Oh, it has a weird feeling. Like there's beads inside or rice. Okay. That's still good. The pink one, it feels the same. So yeah. I'll do the Orbeez one next. Okay. Oh, it's really soft. I rated it 10 out of 10. I didn't rate these two, so I'll rate these two a 9 out of 10. I rate this one 9 out of 10, and I rate this one a 9 out of 10. So that's the 10. Let's rate the pink one. Oh, it's a 10 out of 10. I love the Orbeez again. Do the orange one. Oh, it's metallic. Looks like metallic. I rate this a 7 out of 10. Oh. Okay. And the 100 out of 100. I love this. Ah, it's a color changing needle. I never had it before. It's a color changing needle. Okay, guys. Okay. Bye, guys.